Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, sir.
Ma'am, what about your childhood? And where did you study?
Yes, sir. I studied in first to seventh class near Nandigama in Rudravaram village.
Okay.
After that, I studied 8th class in Vijayawada,
Yeah.
Bishop Hazrai High School.
Hmm.
After 9th and 10th in Madira.
Okay, ma'am. And what about childhood, maybe primary school, that one, education?
What did you shifted to 8th standard?
Why did you
Why did you shift
That
8th standard
school
to
7th closed.
Okay. There is no 8th class.
There is no 8th class, only 7th class.
Up to 8th class only. Okay, ma'am. And when did you go to school? Early days?
I went to school on foot.
Okay, when I am asking? When did you go?
I went to at 9 o'clock.
Okay, 9 o'clock did you start?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
5 minutes I reached my school.
Yeah, is it near?
when did you come to home?
Yeah, ask ma'am.
When did you come
After afternoon 1 o'clock, I returned my home
Yes.
and
did you-
finish lunch.
Okay, ma'am.
And after I went, I would go to school.
Yes, I returned to school also. Next
When
one.
did you return?
5 o'clock I returned by home.
I returned.
I returned home.
Yeah. Next one. Did you participate any cultural activities, ma'am, in school?
I
At
participated 1 year, one cultural program.
Yeah.
Every year I participate sports and running race, that type.
Okay, ma'am.
Skipping, running race, ring, that.
Yes, ma'am.
That type.
And did you take any snacks to school?
No, sir, I didn't take any snacks.
Yes.
Did you go to tuition or
Yes, I go to tuition.
I go no past.
I went to tuition.
Maybe you can tell that one. I used to go.
I
In
used
the
to
past tense,
go
I used to go
tuition.
to tuition
Yes,
daily.
Delhi.
Yeah. Next one, which snacks did you eat?
I ate palli chikki.
Peanuts.
did your mother do palli chikki or
Did you buy
bought-
outside?
Did you buy
No,
outside?
my mother prepared palli chikki, laddus,
Yeah.
making laddus, coconut barfi,
Oh.
all snacks she prepared.
Yeah. Did you have any farms, ma'am? And groundnuts?
Yes, sir. My father was a farmer.
Okay. And did you watch any maybe movies, ma'am?
Yes, sir. I watch movies.
I used to watch.
I used to watch movies. Some people came in my house and in big screen.
Yes. Sir.
he-
Did you have TV?
No, sir. Only radio.
Radio?
That
only?
time only radio,
But
sir.
how did you watch that movies?
Some people came the screen and he
Okay.
played
Yes, ma'am. It is a cloth screen.
cloth screens.
And did you tie that one?
Yes, sir.
Did you hear in radio Akashvani?
Yes, Kathavani, Katha. Yes,
Chitralahari.
songs,
Friday.
news.
Okay. Nice, ma'am. Next one, what about your food activities that time? Any functions also did you attend?
Sometimes I attend.
Okay, ma'am. Now it is different, ma'am. Buffet system.
Yes,
Here is
sir.
a table system also here.
That
But,
time, all people sit on the ground.
used to sit
Used to sit
on the
ground, floor,
and,
on the floor.
They used to some saris also.
Saris,
And
mats,
they fold the
bed sheets.
saris, roll the
saris.
rolled the saris and we sit on the
Old bed
saris.
sheets
Yes,
and-
ma'am. Next one, first of all, they used to serve. Did you know that which one? Banana leaves.
Yes, sir. Banana leaves
first,
are
and the
used.
menu
And
was
steel,
different, ma'am. In
steel
olden
glasses
days.
are
Steel
used.
glasses.
are used.
Yes, ma'am. Were used, past tense.
Were used.
Were used. Steel glasses
Were used
Passive
that
voice.
time.
Yes, ma'am. Next one, they used to serve first tamarind rice. Yes,
Tamarind
ma'am.
rice. Yes.
Radha ma'am. Sorry.
Dal.
Yes, ma'am. First of all,
Did they put sweet? Any sweet?
did they serve?
Did they serve any sweet?
Yes, that time those people served porridge
Did they prepare it in house or
in
catering?
a house.
Yes, ma'am. First, on upon time,
Time,
at the
all
time,
people
At the
prepared in home,
at home only.
at home,
Yes, ma'am.
intlo.
At home, not
Your-
you.
Are they relatives or side by side friends?
Relatives, one man came help
For them.
that time.
Yeah. Yes, ma'am. Nice.
What about your siblings?
My siblings, my sister in housewife, my brother,
Is she elder or younger?
elder sisters, elder sister and eldest brother.
What about your brother?
My brother doing business.
Did you complete degree or engineering in that days?
I completed degree
Did your
work.
brother?
My brother completed intermediate.
Yes. After completion of his education, he started a business.
Yes, sir. First, he working job. After that, he started business.
Yes, ma'am. He worked in a company.
Company,
Okay,
paper
after-
mill company.
Yeah.
After that, he started business.
He started business at and where does
First-
he live now?
First, now he lived. He lives in Madura.
Madura. Okay. Do you go there?
Yes, sir. I went.
I go.
I go.
Do you go occasionally there?
Yes,
I go.
I go.
I go there. Occasionally.
I go there occasionally.
Yes, ma'am. Just listen now which tense I am speaking. That one you have to listen, and spontaneously you have to give the
Coming.
that sentence only
sentences.
first one tense. First in the that one only. When you watch English movies also, any English stories, if you read also, first you have to content comes. After content, if you learn, if you want to speak English to English, that time you have to observe the sentence formation second time, and words are also using. These are also important to speak good English. Okay, ma'am. Nice talking to you.
Okay, sir. Thank you.